don't think it'll get stuck. Look at that. Big time rising. You see that? Yep.
Oh shit.
It's not that big right now.
No, it's not. It just sounds really big. Dude, when that first stunt hit, I was like, oh crap.
I mean, you got area of interest to the left and to the right. Look at that. Whose headlights are those? Look at that. Look to the right. Dude, is that about to go?
It's rotating, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I gotta get off here. I love you.
Well, maybe I want to see it.
Okay. You see that right there? It looks like it's rotating, Jay.
It is.
Who is this driving towards us? Do you hear this?
Look at that. That's cranking.
Yeah, it is, dude. Oh my god, look at the motion on it. Are you able to see that clearly, Jordan? It may be kind of grainy for you.
That's rotating like crazy.
Yeah.
Look at that. Just reminds me of Post. Post did exactly the same thing.
It's okay though.
Oh my god, it wants you so bad. Look to the right. I mean, you got the inflow fish scale situation to the right. Sunset's about right now, or a couple minutes ago.